Hey everyone, what's good? It's your girl Shellie G here, back with another video, and today we're gonna do a sunset eye, I think. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows and I've already put concealer on my eyelids and also carved out the bottom of my eyebrows. So because that's just like a long and boring process, and trust me, you don't want to have to sit there and watch me do it. I don't even know what palette I'm gonna use. Okay, so today I'm gonna use the Sulu palette by Juvia's Place, but are we surprised? No, we are not. I'm gonna start with this purple color. It doesn't have a name on it. That's weird. All their colors usually have names. I never noticed that this palette doesn't have a name. That's weird. Okay. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start kind of packing it on and then blending it out and packing it on and blending it out, packing it on and blending it out, blah blah blah. We're not worrying about packing it in the middle of the lid because we're gonna be drawing a sun there, like with concealer, so you don't have to put purple there, but you do want it from your outer corner through the crease to your inner corner, and then you just want to like pack it on and cover it as much as you can. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and just dab into this pink that's in this palette. It's like if mauve and hot pink had a baby, it'd be that color. I'm just gonna take that really lightly around the outer edges. So now it's not just like one flat color that's blended out, it's like adding dimension, making it more interesting. You want to add just like the tiniest little bit at a time, because if you start out with a lot, then it's really hard to take anyway. It's easy to put more on, but it's really hard to take away. And then I'm just super lightly like making tiny circles around the outer edge of the pink, just to like blend it out into the concealer that I laid down. I want to keep messing with it, but I don't want to ruin it, because usually whenever I just keep messing with something, I end up ruining it. So I'm trying to just leave stuff alone. Okay, now I'm just going to take some of my Tarte Shape tape. This is in the shade Fair. I'm just going to use this. It's small and it's like a small flatter brush, and I'm going to just pick up a little bit of concealer on that. And then try to make like a circle on my eyelid. But I think I'm just gonna do one eye at a time because I have hooded eyes, and as soon as I open my eyes, it's gonna get everywhere. So we'll just see how this goes. Like that. I'm so stupid. Okay. I want to do kind of a thicker coat so that not much of the purple underneath is going to come through, and I'm just starting with like a line down the middle, and then I'm just going to gradually widen it. And then I'm going to take the orange that's in that palette, this one that's in the corner, and I'm using this. It's a flat brush, but it's also a little bit fluffy, and I'm just going to pick up some with that and start packing it on top of that concealer. Trying not to open my eye too much because, again, I already said I have hooded eyes and it will get everywhere. And now we have a sun on our eyelid. Yay! That sounds so unenthusiastic. To add like a little bit of dimension to it, I'm gonna dip into the yellow real quick and just add the yellow right in the middle. Just to add a little something. I'm gonna take my makeup wipe and wipe off any fallout. And I was being really messy, so there's a lot of fallout. And now I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side, and then I will be right back. Okay, that's probably about as even as I'm gonna get them, honestly. I don't want to sit here all night trying to get it exactly perfect. I think I want to add a little bit of the pink just to the bottom of the sun. And I'll probably just do that to add a little bit more dimension. I went ahead and did my face makeup off camera to save a lot of time. And I'm just gonna go in to that purple and start packing it and layering it under my eye. I'm not gonna worry about it blending just yet. Right now, I just want to get as much color on there as I can. And then again, I'm gonna take another brush and tap a little bit of pink onto the outer edge. Just kind of blending out the purple, but also blending in the pink. And yeah. And then don't forget to connect the blending from what we did earlier on the top part of your eye to the blending at the bottom. Now that the pink is on, I want to add just a tiny touch of yellow and just kind of stamp that on because I don't want it to be super strong, but I just want to add a little bit of a different color just to kind of add a little something. And I'm just gonna bring that up into this outer area up here too. Take the little brush that we used for the concealer earlier and use it again, but this time I'm gonna do more like lines kind of, and then go wide and then make it more and more narrow the more that I go down. And then before I move my eye around too much and mess that up, I'm gonna take the same brush that we used for the orange earlier and dab a little bit of orange onto that area. This is gonna set the concealer in place so that I can move my eye around. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow to that as well to make it a little bit brighter. And then now, of course, because I'm addicted to putting highlights on everything, I'm gonna take my NYX white liquid eyeliner and put some little highlights on that. Just little lines so that it looks like it's water. And it also, again, because I'm addicted, I want to add one right here. I think I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna go into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and this is Armed and Gorgeous. I'm gonna use the shade VIP to highlight my inner corner and under my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna use my Bad Cow Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, and I think today I'm gonna go with these eyelashes. They're from Pure Cosmetics and these are in the style Bombshell. And then for my lips, I'm gonna go in with these Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, and I'm gonna do Calabasas with Can't Relate on top. Okay guys, that is it for the final look. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that I made it super simple to follow, and if you try it out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so that I can repost and give you a shout out. I'm currently doing a 100 days of makeup challenge over on my Instagram, so these are all of my social medias in case you want to follow me over there. If I wasn't too awkward for you, don't forget to click the button down below and subscribe and become a part of my tribe. And don't leave without giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you all next time.